Hello folks, welcome to Learning Beans. No lesson today, just an English quiz. Yes, this quiz is based on the 5 modules as well as the short video lessons that we have covered so far. This will help in testing what you have learned through our videos. There are 5 rounds and points have been allotted to each round. Mark yourself on a total of 50. Hope you do this simple and interesting quiz in a fair manner. Would love to hear your scores in the comment section below. So these are the 5 rounds where we've allotted 10 points to each and we'll be scoring on a total Beanie points of 50. So let's begin. Round 1. Multiple choice questions. Question 1. The Queen England sat a horse. The options are A. Off and in, B. At and on, C. Off and on. Choose appropriately and fill in the blanks. Question 2. The water flows the bridge the sea. Option is A. Below in, B. Under and towards, C. By and off. Question 3. Take care your throat. Gargle with water. Options are A. Off and warm, B. With or steam, C. In or one. Question 4. Did he go to a house? He went taxi. Options are A. What and on, B. How and by, C. Why and in. And the last question in the multiple choice questions is didn't Ashura open the door? Because she was not home. The options are A. Where and on, B. When and in, C. Why and at. Now let's go to the second round, which is true or false. See this question is answered appropriately and mark it as true or false. How far are you? I'm great, thanks. Number 2. How much are these for? These cost rupees 200. Number 3. When did you arrive? I came by taxi. Number 4. Where do you play? I play in the park beside my house. And number 5 is, how many colors are there in a rainbow? I prefer red color. And now for round 3, which is called the spell check round. Choose the right spelling of the word and fill it appropriately in the blank. Number 1, they told friends to come later. The options are below. Choose the right spelling. Number 2, the school my proposal to build a play park, and the options are here. Number 3, he has always been in school. Number 4, God my prayers, I'm going for a holiday with my friends. And number 5, he spent his life in this town. So that's the end of round 3. Now round 4 is a sequencing quiz where there are a bunch of dialogues that have been given to you. Put them in order or sequence correctly. Now for round 5, the final round. Game, set and match. There are a host of verbs given to you on the right hand side of the slide. On the left you have these sentences. Please match them off correctly. Number 1, he on hearing the good news. Number 2, we of you when we saw the monkey. Number 3, his act of kindness was well received. Number 4, I the reins while sipping tea. Number 5, I noodles and cake at the party. Number 6, the chess game was but rewarding. And on this side we have the verbs random, had eaten, enjoyed, jumped, challenging and thought. Now in this slide, the apple has been placed in 8 different positions and the options are on the right. Please match it off correctly. Let's see whether you've got these prepositions correct. So hope you've enjoyed this quiz. Now tally your choices with the answers and post in your Beanie scores very honestly. Right? So here are the answers. They've given separately round 1, round 2, round 3. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this quiz. We'll be back with more. Till then, thank you for watching Learning Beans. Stay updated and don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot more coming up on our channel. Stay safe and happy learning.